Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best tortilla presses. So let's get started. Number 7. Arc USA 8-inch cast iron. Many tortilla presses are made with cast iron, and for good reason. Ramirez thinks cast iron is the best bet for most home cooks. The heaviness does a lot of work for you, she says. This model has a slightly bigger plate than many other models, allowing you to make a bigger tortilla for when your cravings lean more burrito than taco. All cast iron cookware needs to be seasoned to prevent rust and minimize food sticking to the surface, and this one comes pre-seasoned with organic flax oil, one of the best oils you can use for seasoning cast iron. This makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Number 6. Victoria 6.5-inch cast iron. This press is a bit smaller than some tortilla presses out there, but that can work in your favor if what you desire are the smaller corn tortillas traditionally used in Mexico for tacos. It comes seasoned with flax oil, making it ready to use, easy to clean, and generally low maintenance. Victoria's plates are specially designed to avoid pinching the dough or any stray fingers, and an extra screw is included for when the first one inevitably goes missing. Its slightly more compact size makes it just a bit easier to store for those with less kitchen space. Number 5. Central Coast Woodworks Hardwood. This handsome tortilla press will make quick work of flour or corn tortillas. Wooden ones are more traditional because, in rural areas of Mexico, it was easier to make a wooden press than one out of cast iron, says Ramirez. Available in 8-inch and 10-inch versions, as well as solid red oak instead of the pictured walnut, and red oak striped design, this handmade press comes from a shop based in Santa Maria, California, and is treated with food-grade mineral oils and beeswax. It has a long arm, which provides the ideal leverage to easily press perfect round tortillas of even thickness. The wooden construction gives it a very different look than the usual cast iron or cast aluminum models. That also makes it a good candidate for countertop storage. It's as much a sculptural decor item as it is a tortilla tool. Number 4. Norpro 6 Tortilla Maker. If you're new to making your tortillas, this simple to use and easy to clean tortilla press is a good place to start. Try following Lola's simple recipe. Typically, I cut 2 pieces of a plastic produce bag, the chef explains. I place my dough ball on one, which is on the bottom part of the tortilla press, then I cover it with the other piece of plastic. This prevents the tortilla from sticking to the actual press. Then after pressing the ball into a flat, round tortilla, I carefully peel off my tortilla from the plastic before cooking it on a comal. Number 3. Victoria 8-inch cast iron. This tortilla press comes from the makers behind one of our favorite cast iron cookware sets. The reinforced hinges will avoid pinching, and the cast iron material means this press will last forever. Check out one of the thousands of 5-star reviews on Amazon. People love this press. Number 2. HIC Herald Import Company 43172. It may not have the durability of cast iron, but these aluminum presses are light, easy to use, and even easier to store. Reviewers love how versatile this press is for its price. One commenter says it makes great pita bread too. Number 1. Hardwood Tortilla Press. Tis not uncommon to see wooden tortilla presses in Mexico. They work as great as they look. The sturdy oak and walnut will give you nice, flat tortillas, just like the popular metal version. The California-based woodshop specializes in creating tortilla presses.